So now let's do some examples with conditional statements. So maybe first we'll start with, remember the truth table for the conditional statement. If P, then Q, right? The way it works. So let's fill out our truth table here. P, then Q. So you look at the hypothesis, the first one, P. So here, P is true and Q is true, so they're true. But here, P is true and our conclusion is false, so that would be false. And then these remaining two, our hypothesis, our P, is false, which means it's automatically true. So the only time a conditional statement is false is when P is true, but Q is false. All right, so now let's look at our example. Let's construct a truth table for not P or Q. If not P or Q, then not Q. So again, anytime I'm constructing a truth table, you look for how many statement variables you have. So looking here, how many statement variables do I have? I have 2, P, and I have Q. So your truth table will have 4 rows to it. So let's start building our truth table. So I'm going to need not P. And then let's see, after I have not P, then I want not P or Q. I'm also going to need not Q. So these are all the columns I'm going to need. So I'm going to take P's column and flip it. I'm going to take Q's column and flip it for the last one. And now I'm going to do not P or Q. So put an or between them. So it looks like we'll get true, false, true, true. Okay. And now we're ready to do our conditional column. If not P or Q, then not Q. So you're looking at this one first and then this one. Well, true, false means it's false. A false means it's automatically true. False in the hypothesis. True, false, that's another false. True, true, they're both true, so it's true. So that would be our truth table. Now remember when we did these conditional statements, we could take this conditional statement and make other conditional statements. We could write the contrapositive. The contrapositive is where you flip them and negate them. So if not Q, then not P. You flip and negate. The converse is where you flip them. So it's if Q, then P. And finally, the inverse is if not P, then not Q. You leave them where they are, but you negate each piece. So let's look at an example where we write these down. Okay, so let's see. Let's say I'm looking at the statement, if today is Saturday, then I don't get up early. So what would the contrapositive be? Let's start with the contrapositive. You're gonna flip them and negate them. So you're gonna negate I don't get up early. So if I do get up early. If I get up early, then now negate today is Saturday becomes today is not Saturday. The converse. Converse means you just switch the order, that's it. So if I don't get up early, then today is Saturday. Finally, the inverse. Means you leave them where they are, but you negate them in their current position. So if today is not Saturday, then I get up early.